So I guess first thing I need to do is pull that other one out. And it is up in there. There's no way to get my hand up in there. Maybe I can come down from the top and do it. I got a little stool over here. Alrighty, where's that thing at? Comes out right up underneath the steering column. It might be harder to get to. All kind of linkages in my way and stuff. It'd be easier to push it out, but I'm still got to get the new one back through, so I'm gonna put the camera down. I need both hands for this. Alrighty then, I got me some masking tape. I got the old one out, and I put some tape around this end because this screw-on cap will slide down the hose, and I need this whole thing to pass through the firewall when I push it through there. So I taped it up in order to keep that together. I don't have a real good place to get my arm through to get up in there like I want to and put that into place. So I'm just gonna have to do the best I can with what I got. Bringing this up and around and through. I think before they had that passed kind of outside the frame there. Maybe I should do that. Go up over the muffler with it. I don't want to kink it up or anything. So I can kind of bring it around. Up under, go back in through here. Now the trick is going to be to get my hand back up in there and find that hole and get that to go past right back through it. It's just not going to be that easy. I don't think. Right now I can't even tell where the hole is. Now I can't see nothing. Can you? Maybe I'll be better off back there. Probably see more than you could where you was. Alright, where's my hole at? I really can't see it. I know it's there, but I can't see it. Nice. I don't think I can do any better from the top either. I did get my hand in there a while ago and pull that out, so maybe it's just a matter of feeling it. Oh, can you feel it? Nope, can't feel it. It must be in there somewhere. Oh, I feel it now. Here it is. Okay. So, I need to get the line. Where's it at? Here it is. To turn. Go up in there. Can't quite feel it though. I know it's there somewhere. I felt it for a second, now I lost it.